Hello, welcome back to another video. Now, integral of x power 5 upon x square plus 1 into dx. This can be written as x power 4 into x upon x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, now integral of x power 4 plus 1 minus 1 is there here. Plus 1 minus 1 into x by x square plus 1 into dx. Now integral of x power 4 minus 1 plus 1 into x upon x square plus 1 into dx. X power 4 minus 1 into x by x square plus 1, 1 into x by x square plus 1. You have to write separate. Integral of x power 4 minus 1 into x in denominator x square plus 1 into dx plus 1 into x by x square plus 1 into dx. Okay, this can be written as x power 4 minus 1 is x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 into x by x square plus 1 into dx. 1 by 2 into 2x by x square plus 1 into dx. F dash of x by f of x form. Since here integral of f dash of x by f of x into dx is equal to log mod f of x plus c. Okay, x square plus 1 derivation is 2x. F dash of x by f of x form. Okay, x square plus 1, x square plus 1 cancel. Integral of x into x square, x cube minus x. 1 into minus x into dx plus 1 by 2 into f dash of x by f of x is log mod x square plus 1 plus c. Okay, x cube integration is x power 4 by 4 minus x derivation integration is x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 into log mod x square plus 1 plus c. That's enough. Now another problem. Now integral of 1 by x square into root over 1 plus x square into dx. This can be written as 1 by x square in root x square common. 1 by x square plus 1 into dx. In root x square is x. 1 by x into x square x cube into root over 1 by x square plus 1. X square plus 1 into dx. This can be written as 1 by x cube 1 by x cube in denominator root over 1 by x square plus 1 into dx. Put 1 by x square plus 1 is t. 1 by x derivation of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube into dx is equal to dt. 1 by x cube into dx is equal to dt by minus 2. Okay, integral of 1 by x cube into dx equal dt by minus 2. This is totally t. Root t into dt by minus 2. Minus 1 by 2 write in outside. Integral of 1 by root t into dt. Integral of 1 by root t is 2 root t plus c. T value is minus root over 1 by 1 plus x square plus 1 plus c. Minus integral of, here x square is LCM, 1 plus x square plus c. Root over 1 plus x square by x square. This can be written as root of 1 plus x square by x. Root of x square is x plus c. That's enough. Now another problem. Integral of sine 7x by sine 2x into sine 5x dx. You observe denominator, here 2x is there, here 5x. Okay, in numerator 7x. 2x plus 5x is 7x. So 7x can be written as sine 5x plus 2x. In denominator, sine 2x into sine 5x dx. Sine a plus b formula. Since here sine of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, this can be written as sin 5x cos 2x plus cos 5x sin 2x. In denominator, sin 2x into sin 5x into dx. You have to write separate two fractions. Sin 5x into cos 2x upon sin 2x into sin 5x into dx plus integral of cos 5x into sin 2x in denominator sin 2x into sin 5x dx. Sin 2x sin 2x sin 5x sin 5x cancel. Integral of cos 2x by sin 2x is cot 2x into dx plus this is cos by sin. This is also cot 5x dx. Since here integral of cot ax into dx is equal to 1 by a log mod sin ax plus c. Okay, this a plus having 2, here a plus having 5. 1 by 2 into log mod sin 2x plus 1 by 5 into log mod sin 5x plus c. That's enough.